business strategy is pivotal for achieving success and sustainable growth. This guide delineates 5 crucial steps to comprehending and implementing effective business strategies. 1. Define business goals. Start by defining clear and measurable goals for your business. These goals should align with your vision and mission, providing a strategic direction for your organization. 2. Conduct a SWOT analysis. Perform a SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, analysis to assess internal capabilities and external factors impacting your business. Understanding these factors helps in developing strategies that leverage strengths and address weaknesses. 3. Identify competitive advantage. Identify your unique selling propositions and competitive advantages. Understanding what sets your business apart from competitors allows you to capitalize on strengths and differentiate your offerings in the market. 4. Develop strategic initiatives based on your goals, SWOT analysis, and competitive advantage. Develop strategic initiatives to achieve your objectives. These initiatives should be actionable, measurable, and aligned with your overall business strategy. 5. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of your business strategy. Stay agile and adaptable, adjusting strategies as needed in response to changing market conditions, customer preferences, and internal factors. By following these 5 key steps, businesses can develop a deeper understanding of business strategy and unlock success by aligning their actions with their goals, strengths, and market opportunities. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.